In a world filled with options, wouldn't it be nice if we could make one simple choice that would change the way we look at finances forever? We all have hopes, dreams, desires, and lives that we would rather be living. So what if it were possible to have it all with no worries? It's not as difficult as society makes it out to be. What if making money was no longer a worry? What if we weren't forced into jobs that make us bitter? We have the notion that we need money, and because of this, it has become a daunting task. So what does it take for this worry to no longer exist? Although money does make the world go round, or at least they say, it doesn't have to be that way, does it? This is the question that most people are waking up to and answering for themselves. Because deep down, we all know that it doesn't have to be this way, and that there is a better way. So, if money is what makes the world go round, then tell me, why isn't it taught in schools? Why isn't it taught how to make it, how to have it, how to maintain a well-balanced lifestyle when it comes to finances? For most people, it's hard. Making money is hard, and those who worry of not having enough never really do. So if money wasn't an object, could you really be happy? Of course there's a better way. Hi, my name's Nikki. I wanted to show you guys today how I have actually generated 3 times my income and 3 times my investment in as little as 3 months. I know you hear the gurus say that all the time. It's like, oh, you make this much money in this amount of time. But this has been tried and tested, and it is legit. It is amazing. And my money's working for me. You hear about big investors or millionaires that make their money work for them. They don't work for money. Their money works for them. Well, it is absolutely amazing to be able to do this and help others to do this. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, and it's called the Rift Alliance. I've been invested in this company for the last 4 months now, and in that time, my income has grown from $3,900 to $12,200, and it is compounding every single day. So I'm going to jump right into it and get to the platform to show you guys how it works, and let's go. Okay, so I hope you guys can see my screen okay. Let me go ahead and blow this up a little bit. Okay, so this is Rift Alliance. This is my dashboard. Whenever I log in, this is what I see. Over here, you'll see the amount that I have actively invested, which is $12,326. And the profit is the amount of money that I've withdrawn from this account so far. Okay, now, first of all, I want to show you guys transaction activity, which is going to show you when I initially invested into this company and what I was making then and what that investment was. So go all the way back. Okay, my first one, these 3 didn't really, I was trying to test it to see if I could, invest that money. Okay, so the $3,000 that was pending, as you can see, was confirmed right here. On this page over here, though, the $900 that I invested, $900 right here, because I had to redo the $1,000. So I went ahead and did $900, and as you can see, that was confirmed right here. And on the next page, you can see that the $3,000 was also confirmed right here. And that meant that I was making, because I opened 2 accounts within this one, and I was making $675 for the $900 account a day. And then I was making $33 a day for the $3,000 account. So altogether, it was about $39 a day that I started out making. Okay, so that was $3,900 initially invested in October. That was October 7th. And today is February 9th. So as you can see, as you will see, this investment has accrued me from $3,900 to $12,300 in a matter of 3 months. Okay, so we'll go through here and I'll break this down. We'll go through the transactions. Now, the $500 is what I withdrawn. I withdrew that from my wallet. And you'll see on this next page right here, $500 confirmed. I did receive that money. And then I withdrew $320. And you'll see on this next page, or the next one, right there, that it was confirmed and approved. And also, there's another $315. Oh, wait. Did I have to redo that one? Oh, no, that's a different one. Oh, okay, it was confirmed right here. I'm sorry. Yeah, it was confirmed in the same day, actually. Oh, well, very next day. It usually doesn't take any more than 48 hours to be confirmed. So, since then, I've reinvested. I've also deposited money, as you can see. That's basically, it takes less than a day to do that. And with the latest, I am now making $128 a day just from Rift Alliance. And my investments, which I'll show you, are making me a pretty penny. Now, it's only been 3 months and I've been able to go from 3,900 to 11,426, but that's not actively because I'm compounding my interest. So this week's payout, they don't count in this back office right here. That's the only difference. But I can choose to reinvest in the Rita Diversified. Now that means you have to invest $3,000 or more into this fund right here because they have different plans, which I'll show you in just a second. But I picked this plan because they give you the reinvest option. If you invest in the low-end funding, which is less than $1,000, then you will not have the reinvesting option, meaning you can't compound your interest daily. Okay, now I've not been able to compound my interest in this $900 account daily like I have in this one because I also chose the daily payout method. This one pays you out after 7 months. Well, mine is 7 months left, but it's a 9-month investment. So the money that you initially invest, you have to have that money in there and you can't mess with it for 9 months. And then you can withdraw your initial investment and all the profit that you've made since then. So I'll be able to withdraw, well, it'll probably be about $25,000 in 7 months. So I'll be able to withdraw all of that and reinvest if I want to, which I'm probably going to. And I will show you the investment portfolios, the plans that you have to pick from. But you get 10% as well for any referrals that sign up. So you guys like this video and give me a thumbs up, and also look down in the description for the referral link. And anyone you refer gets 10% of whatever they deposit every time they deposit. Okay, so and if you pick this investment, which is obviously is anything over $50,000, then you get an instant 10% on deposits above $50,000. So you get 10% from anyone that anyone that invests on your dashboard, and that's anyone directly. Now, indirectly, someone that you refer and then they refer someone, you don't get 10%. You only get 5%. But yeah, this one is the one that I picked right here, and I know that it says 5,000 minimum, but I did not have 5,000 minimum. I only had 3,000, and I think because I was so close to the $5,000 minimum that they went ahead and accepted me. But you see down here that they only have so many slots available. So if those slots are all taken, then they'll have you invest somewhere else if you don't have $5,000. And that's just from experience. And you can see what they are invested in as well. Right here, they are invested in fixed income, equity, real estate, alternatives, multi-assets, cryptocurrency, which that would be alternatives or multi. They have this one right here, which these are the low-end funds I was telling you about. Now, this is a $100 minimum to get started if you wanted to test this, or whatever you wanted to do, which you don't really make any money. I made $10 whenever I invested in the $100. That was just to test it and see, make sure that we can withdraw and things like that. It's totally legit. I've totally withdrawn $1,500 from this platform, and you have a daily payout option. If you get the daily payout, though, you don't get the daily compounding interest, which I would totally go for the compounding interest. And as you can see, the more money that you invest, the higher interest rate you will have of growing your money. So considering you can invest 50,000 and have a 1.1 or 100,000 and it's 1.3. And I know it doesn't seem like a big difference. 1.1 isn't that much from 1.3. It really is, though. If you're only earning, okay, what's this one up here? 0.8% compounding interest as opposed to 1.3, that is a major difference. I mean, you're missing out probably on $10,000 overall, over the 9 months investment. Now, every one of these plans, it is a 9-month duration. You do lock your funds in. Whatever you deposit initially, only the deposit that you initially invest gets locked in for 9 months. And I just want to be clear that this is a have-to thing. They do reimburse you. Well, they say reimbursement, but it's withdrawal. You are able to withdraw your investment after the duration of 9 months. So please be aware of that, and do not invest any more money than you can afford to lose. Because even though, this is a for sure thing, no investment is for sure. And I can't guarantee that because I'm not a financial advisor. Even if I was, can't guarantee that you won't lose your money. So just wanted to be 100% clear on that. And, disclaimer alert. So, you guys, this is an amazing opportunity. You get to compound your interest. Now, what do I mean by compounding your interest? Let's go back to my dashboard and I will show you. Sorry, my computer's a little slow today. Okay, so whenever you're compounding your interest, you have two different wallets, right? Here's your compounding profit, here's your actual wallet. Your compounding profit goes into this wallet, so that is the amount of money that you make a day. And as you've seen on my investment, I make what did it pay out yesterday? $128. So I got paid $128 yesterday and $129 today. But as you can see in my transactions here, I've been reinvesting that money. So it'll go into my compounding profit wallet. And I come in here every single day and I go to my investments. I click on investments. I click on active investments. And then it will take me to my 2 investments that I initially have. I click on reinvest and then I enter the amount that I want it to take, which I know from my dashboard what I have in my wallet that it can take. Yesterday it was $128, so today I put $129, and then I go to direct deposit. I change that to compounding wallet because that's where it's going to take it from initially, and then I hit update and it will update automatically. It automatically reinvests that money into your money, and then the page will reload and you will see an updated amount right here. Now, you can't do that if you do anything under $1,000 because it's not enough for them to compound your interest every single day. You get a daily payout of $6.75 or whatever the ROI is for the amount of money that you've invested. And you can also see that you have 139 days left, you have 144 days left. In these payouts, they tell you exactly how many days you have left. And I do have to also advise that if you do not know anything about Bitcoin, that this might be a little difficult because they accept payments only in cryptocurrency. Now, whenever you go to withdraw, it's the same. If you don't have a Bitcoin wallet, there are plenty of videos here on YouTube that you can go and watch and learn how to create a Bitcoin wallet and get yourself a wallet and get yourself some Bitcoin. Because the price of Bitcoin is going to go skyrocket. That's just without a shadow of a doubt in my mind. It is a store of value and it is amazing. What you do whenever you go to withdraw, you withdraw Bitcoin or Ethereum, or for those of you that are familiar with crypto, you can see the different. They don't have a lot that you can actually get paid by or transact with on this platform, but Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most popular. So, like I said, you just have to go and find you a video, check that out. But when you withdraw, you will put in the amount you want to withdraw, your wallet address, and usually they'll have like a 2FA code, which is your Google Authenticator. If you don't have it set up, then you'll set one up, and you enter all of that information, and then you withdraw. And it takes about 48 hours for them to actually, approve the withdrawal and it to hit your wallet. So within 2 days, you will have had whatever money you withdrawn in your wallet to use as you wish. So that is pretty much it. That's that's it. I'm just totally amazed by this opportunity, and for anyone wanting to know any more information, I'm going to leave my link in the description for you to be able to contact me. You can reach me on Messenger. I'm on Facebook. I'm also on TikTok, although I don't answer from TikTok or my comments here on YouTube. So if you want to get a hold of me, you want to find out more, if you want to become an investor, if you want to learn about how you can make your money work for you, just follow me, send me a message, let me know, and I will be happy to help you out, connect you with the right people in the right environment. And we'll get you started on this platform. And if you just want to register because you know about Bitcoin and you're familiar with all that stuff, then just see the link in the description and let's go.